Okay guys, what I'm going to be going over with you now is apostrophes for single possession. Now single possession is quite important. That means that it belongs to just one person. So we're going to focus on this top sentence here. Ben's coat was blue. I can see here that I've got a noun here, the coat, and I've got a noun here which is Ben's. Now, without an apostrophe here, if I just see the word Ben's, that's telling me that there's more than one Ben. It's Ben's, there's more than one. But in this sentence, in the context of this sentence, that's not right. It's not telling me that there's more than one Ben. The sentence is Ben's coat was blue, which means that something is belonging to Ben. It is the coat. This coat belongs to Ben, and to represent that, I put not Ben's, I put a Ben apostrophe S. Ben's coat was blue. On this sentence down here, the cat's bed was comfortable. So this cat's here with the S on the end, that on its own is telling me there's more than one cat. But in the context of this sentence, that's not right. It's telling me that the cat's bed was comfortable. This is telling you that the bed belongs to the cat. So I don't just put an S, I need to put an apostrophe S, because that is how I'm going to show that the bed belongs to the cat. Now, one thing that we can go wrong with when we're looking at apostrophes is that sometimes we see a lot of words with S's on the end that don't need apostrophes. So in this sentence at the top here, the bees need nectar. Bees is a noun, it has an S on the end, but it doesn't have an apostrophe, and it can be tempting to put an apostrophe there because you think, well, I need to put an apostrophe S, but you need to think about it. Is there anything in that sentence that's belonging to those bees? The bees need nectar. The nectar does not belong to the bees. I don't need to put an apostrophe S, because if I did here, that would be telling me that the bees need nectar. That doesn't make sense, because that's telling me that one bees need. The need belongs to bee. It just doesn't make sense. The S on the end of that bee is representing the fact that there is more than one bee. Multiple bees, not single, plural, more than one. So you do not need an apostrophe S there, you just need an S, because all of the bees, not just one, need nectar. And down the bottom sentence, I saw birds in my garden. Again, birds here. If I put an apostrophe S there, that would be telling me that in belongs to the birds, or garden belongs to the birds. It doesn't make sense. There's nothing that belongs to the birds in that sentence. That's because we don't need the apostrophe there. The S being on the end of birds here is telling you that there is not just one bird, there's more than one. It's not a single bird, it is plural. We do not need an apostrophe S. So be really careful when you're looking at sentences about making those mistakes, because it's very easy to do. Okay, so remember, something has to belong to somebody else, something or someone. Ben's coat, the cat's bed, okay? Really be careful looking for those apostrophes, and good luck with your work. Bye.